Now you've seen one of your own, whom you considered an ally in Security Council, what he has done to one of your European countries, and you're waking up. Maybe we need most of these examples for you to wake up. Otherwise, if this had been done much earlier, you would have listened to us much earlier. So we do want, number one, as Uganda and as support of Africa, remove veto powers. Who are you, one country to sit and you say you veto the decision of the world? Number two, we would want to give more powers to the UN General Assembly, where most of the countries are represented. You don't just give 5 countries, 4 countries, and then we also must look into the funding of the UN. Because it seems in the UN, those who give more are the ones who have more power. So we need to look and reform the funding of the UN so that we can have equal power.
I am in support from the Caribbean to ensure that the Caribbean will have a non-permanent seat as well as Africa. We cannot continue to have a council that was last changed in 1965, when the last reform was done. We are now in 2020. So we need, like how Uganda has made it clear, Ethiopia, Zambia is making it clear that we need to ensure that reform take place, no veto power for those 5 nations that continue to have the veto power.
But those in power, they keep rejecting us. We do not know whether we are saying it to the right people or not. It's now about time the Security Council should listen to us. If it's the issue of changing the charter needs to be changed.